So, just as we look forward, what do you think will be the major signposts or the major stages of progress we'll see in the development of these markets really in the next few years?
The two areas which I think are going to be critical. Now people start to adopt those transition decommissioning bonds. So this is already started. So we're going in the right way. ECMA and other capital market associations are starting to look at the terms, all the different features of those bonds. So this is being taken care of. I would say the policy views from the government, meaning that they potentially don't have much more time left to do something right. Otherwise, they're going to have to face a wave not only of assets to decommissioning, but a wave on unemployment. The second wave after the 70s, 80s, which is a lot worse than the first one, especially now that AI is affecting every single company, and many companies like Amazon have already started to lay off people because they're using AI. So we are going to need to find other areas. But that's the push factor. The pull one is we have prime industrial and economic real estate, meaning that all assets are plugged to hubs, to networks, to grids. And instead of wasting time checking how long, we have to keep the asset because we cannot restore it right now, we have to wait another 10 years and just don't plug and abandon it immediately. We should be very, very, very encouraging, both at national levels, government level and corporate investor level, saying, try to find now close those assets earlier. There's potentially on top of that a little bit of kicker from a carbon credit transaction potentially, and redevelop them into stuff that we need. Data centers, wind farms, solar farms, but also a lot of new activities around the ecosystems in which we live, and fisheries, more eco farms, all the stuff that we know we need. The installation is already here. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. We just make sure to clean them up correctly and give opportunities to investors to come up with the good ideas.